Question 3. A particle is fired at time t equals 0.0 seconds from a point O at the edge of the cliff. So this is point O right here. Point O. With the initial velocity components of Vox equals 50 ms and Voy. So velocity over on the y-axis is 200 meters per second. To projectile raise the fall into the sea at point P. So it falls into the sea right here at point P. The time of the flight of the projectile, time of flight is 0.50 seconds. Sorry. So what was given was here. So we put given just so we know what we got and what was provided. So now first we use this equation times t equals y-o plus v-o-t plus half acceleration time times half per second. And now we know that Vox equals Voy. So now we do this equals Voy times t plus 1/2 AY t v. So now we do the 200. And how did we get 200? It was provided, it was given. So we do 200, and we just plug in everything, times 20 minus 1/2 times 9.8 times 20v. With that, you will get 4,000 minus 4.9 times 20. You do simple math, plug this in, you will get y equals 20 meters. So we know that 1,000 m equals 50 plus t. 1,000 m equals 50 times 20. And the answer will be positive 20.